ito. Ano na, no? Even Steven ito.
Yes.
Do everything you can within your capability. 1-0 kagad. That's a good start.
Gaganda rin ang mga depensa ni Ara.
Oh, she's played a great all-around game. Regalo buried by Riri Meneses. Close to the net. Nagulat. Pati Capital One. Jump set. Perfectly done.
Trisha Tubo on fire.
Here comes Meneses serving at 3-1. Huli. Walang humabol.
Malayo yung bounce ng bola.
Sobra. Here's Genesis. It crawls over the net. And you've got a friend called the net.
Good first ball.
Good catch. Bam!
Oh!
Yeah. And that good first ball created Iris Tolenada. Good set. Naku, hindi na. Iris chased it down. Oh! Passes, take that!
I want to see that again because that one is a tough angle for Mylene Pat.
Twist. Iris. Nice. Reverse. Hala. Anybody's match. Hello! Si Ara.
Oh! Service ace!
Number 3 yata yan.
I think it was number 3.
Boy, she has been one of the factors why they're leading 8-4 right now. Change sides here. Ay,
Oh,
Nunag.
yes. Slide attack once again.
Tapos siya, dapat kanina pa fini-feed yan eh. Here's Adorador. Kept in play by Rodrina. Oh! Every volleyball player gets that.
Take a look at that down the line hit. And ang taas din ang daan ng bola.
Sabi ni Ara, gising ako. Gising. Tinaas. Yes! That worked. Sinisigaw muna siya bago siya mag-serve.
No, pampakalma yun.
Ayaw, pampakalma ba yun? Off the hands. And look at this, Farm Fresh just turning on the heat here.
Timeout, Capital One.
Capital One will use its timeout and just a short while, Creamline and Galleries get entangled.
Oh!
Don Gonzalez or Yellow Stamero will bring that to you.
Getting a service ace once again.
Number 2. May kalaki siya.
And ang gaganda ng targets niya.
Ah,
Those are not easy balls. Loaded pa rin kahit short ball.
ayun kaya siya yung service master nila. Pero that's neatly done. Well done. Hit against the block.
Advantage meron dito ang Farm Fresh. Take a look at that last hit again ni Cepada. Talagang inantay niya yung braso ni Mylene Pat.
I see your arm. I hit it there. Hello! Ang daming sources ng points itong Farm Fresh.
Yes.
Parang yung efficiency level niya, taas. Mylene Pat, Rezanova will serve. Adorador receive. Alanganin. Si Pada got it. Here comes the set. What a crafty move by Cez Molina.
Kanina pa sila palo ng palo from her. This was a good drop ball behind the blockers. But Pino Maraginot is one of the better servers for Capital One. That was a sharp serve.
Lim. Tubu. Nice recovery.
Good dig.
It's Galang again. This is out of reach. But we have arrived at match point. Everybody back. And we are done. I don't think we're going to have an argument or a challenge with that. So Farm Fresh with a 5-set win. In a way, comeback na down sila 2-1 dito sa match na ito.
Yes.
Okay, Pure Gold always Panalo play on the set. Brought to you by Pure Gold. So Pure Gold always Panalo. We'll tie up this game with a nice ribbon. You don't want to go miss that.